Well, last night I came out and I walked all these runs down. Got up this morning, walked them down again. There wasn't a bunch this morning, but there were some. And I came back and checked this about every 20 minutes. But I have waited and waited for this guy this morning. He has been hard to catch. He's in my yard and I really did not want him to get away. Looks like he's probably a young one. I have no clue where he would have came in from, because usually, a lot of times you can see where they come in from, like the woods or something like that, but this guy just looks like I just don't know how he would have got here like this, in the crazy place that he's in by my house. He should have known better. God bless you all from the MOLiminator.